Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. Nice having you. Today we're gonna be doing papaya hair mask or hair conditioner. We're gonna be needing papaya already washed and sliced, 2 eggs, plain white yogurt, extra virgin olive oil, Amla oil, which is the Indian secret of dark and long hair, vanilla essential oil, and 100% pure coconut oil. We will also be needing a blender, an applicator bottle, and a funnel for introducing the product inside the bottle. Here we commence with the blending. Introducing the papaya into the blender. Papaya promotes hair growth. Nutrients in papaya prevent balding. Eating the fruit at least twice a week can help reduce hair thinning, controls dandruff. The hair mask containing papaya can help treat dry and flaky hair scalp. When blended with egg and yogurt, with coconut oil and other oils like olive oil, essential oils, amla oils, or any other one you have, they help the hair to be thickened. They form an elastic band towards the hair, making it to grow very well and prevent cutting. Papaya contains folic acid that helps improve circulation to the hair follicles and promotes hair growth. Papaya can restore the life of your hair and make it soft and hydrated. Due to its high vitamin A content, papaya promotes the production of sebum. Sebum is your body's natural oil, and its production keeps your hair conditioned and well hydrated. Papaya has other huge benefits to other parts of the body, which we will be treating them one after the other in future videos. This is the end product, the paste we got. Now I commence by dividing my hair into 4 parts and putting it in twist. I place my towel over my shoulders to catch all the mess and the droppings. I start from the back, loosen it and detangle it a bit. Commence applicating it generously, detangling in the process. I went through my hair, applying, detangling, massaging the scalp, making sure that each strand of hair gets the product generously. Massaging the hair very well helps stimulate the blood flow to the scalp, and with adequate blood flow, it helps stimulate the hair growth. Now, using this papaya hair mask that contains folic acid, which is rich in blood production, when it reacts with the hair, you know how much it will supply blood to the scalp, helping your hair to grow very well after this process and even in it. So it's a good treatment and should be done from time to time to improve hair growth, the quality of your hair, the thickness, the elasticity, the softness, and whatever you can ask for in a beautiful long hair. Egg and yogurt are rich in protein, and they will also help in the growth of your hair, stimulating growth follicles. Other oils are also so important in hair growth. Then after massaging it throughout the hair, I cover it with a plastic wrap and had it for 2 hours. Also, I tied it with a towel to make it warmer. You can also sit over a heater or use a blow dryer. After I washed it off and put it in twist, loosen it, and having a hair just like as you're seeing now. Yeah, so try it and you will see the beauty in using papaya as your hair mask. This is a day after that I also did a twist and still rock it. The hair is getting fuller from the day I started doing it. Yes, try these products, you will enjoy it. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye. See you in my next video. Ciao ciao.